Thanks, Paul. Let's have a look at how our new Visual Bot Builder makes it easy to develop your automation strategy. Our new Bot Builder allows you to visualize all the content of your bot at a glance. You can easily follow each path of your bot to understand what your customers will experience when they interact with it. It also makes it much easier to edit and improve your bots. Let's assume I'm a customer support specialist at Exemplary Bank. I've created this custom bot that greets customers and helps them check their balance when they first open the messenger. I know that recently we've been getting quite a few requests to open new accounts. So rather than those conversations going to our support team, I want to set up this bot to handle these queries automatically or assign them to our new business accounts team. So currently, this bot offers customers 2 options, and I'm going to add a third one. It's easy to add a new reply button here with the option to open a new account. I can reorder these buttons so that they make sense to my customers. Following this new path, I'm going to add a message to check which type of account they would like to open. I want to add multiple options here to give my customers the correct instructions based on the account they want to open. So I'm adding one button for personal accounts and one button for business accounts. I also want to provide a third option in case my customer is unsure of the type of account they want to open. So I'm going to add a Learn More button. If a customer selects personal account, I want to direct them to our mobile app so they can open an account directly. I'm adding a new message here, and I can add a link so that they can download the app from the bot. If a customer wants to open a business account, they will need to talk to our new business accounts team. My bot can assign a conversation to this team so that customers can talk to someone to open a new account right away. I can add an action here to assign a conversation to the right team. If customers don't know which account they'd like to open, I can direct them to this path that's already part of my bot. The bot will send them an article about our different account types, and they can ask questions that will be automatically handled by Resolution Bot. I can just connect my button to this path. I'm happy with these changes, so I can now save my bot. Before I set it live, I'm going to preview it to make sure it works well. I clicked on the messenger and I can see the new option I just added. I can see that the bot is delivering the right messages at the right time. If there are any issues, our new bot builder makes it easy to troubleshoot and fix problems in your bot. My bot can now handle a large part of our new account requests and assign the rest of these conversations to our dedicated sales team, which means our support team has now more bandwidth to focus on VIP customers. We're so excited for you to start using our new Visual Bot Builder to develop your automation strategy. And with that, I will hand it back to Paul.